Okay, welcome to this masterclass. In this masterclass, I'll show you how to get nice pictures for your banners, website design, etc. So to be able to get pictures, there are 3 places that you can browse and get the best pictures for your website images, your banners, logos, etc. Okay, so you go to unsplash.com. So you get to this place, the internet source of freely usable images. So I forgot to add that these sites I'm going to mention are all areas that you can get free usable images. Okay, they're all free without even paying for. So when you get to this place, there are so many pictures that you can use for your sites. You can use so many. So these are all images, okay, that you can scroll and get. So let's see how we can just, let's say you want to use this thing for our so you can just download it for our restaurant. Okay, so you can just download, and it's downloading. Okay, and that's it. So I can use this image as my, but you see the feedback is given to me. I can use this image as for my catering website or my catering sign board or anything. So these images, but it says that say thanks, give a shout out to Iman Edward Howell on social, or copy the text below to attribute. Okay, so whenever you use this picture, although it's for free, you need to what? Say that, oh, photo by Edward Howell. When you say that, that's free to you, so you have to give credit, or that's copy. There's no copyright, but you have to acknowledge so that it won't be a breach of copyright. So you can just download as I've downloaded it here, and then when I go to downloads, I open my downloads. This is what I will see. Okay, you can use this image to design very nice, amazing site, or even a card on your card, business cards or anything. So let's go to the next site, which is freepik.com. So you see, with Freepik you can have, as we saw on Splash, you can see wallpapers. There are wallpapers here, 3D renders. So if you just want any picture, I can't go through everything one by one because of time. Okay, I can't go through everything because of time. So business, maybe you have an engineering website or an engineering picture, something I just want to paste on your social media account, which is copyright free and everything. When you come to Unsplash, likewise this. So you see images. So if you want a logo, you can just search. Okay, and then it's free. This freepik.com, you can have your logos. So see, logo, this mockup for companies. So if you want a mockup, you can have them here. You can go back if you want videos. You can have social media icons. Yes, so things, yeah, so like this, you want to just paste it. Maybe you are doing a video, you want, we've got something sniping too. You can download this and you can snipe the ones that you have. You see the top 4 up there. This is YouTube, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. You see, so the top one, maybe those are the ones that you want, or you can just choose this, snipe the ones that you want. You can just download it, snipe it. So let's see if you can download any of these. Let's open first. So let's open link in a new tab and see how the picture will appear first, then you can just use it. But as it's loading, let's go back to Freepik, the search. Let's say you want YouTube thumbnail, anything related to YouTube. So you want a YouTube banner, YouTube thumbnail template. So let's go to YouTube thumbnail. You want images. Okay, so you see, if you know anything called Canva, it looks similar like this, as you are seeing right now. Okay, so you see, you can just choose it, you can take it and edit it yourself. Okay, if you want subscribe YouTube videos, sometimes you can just choose YouTube subscribe, and there you choose, instead of choosing images, you choose videos. Okay, so these images. Okay, go back again. Okay, so free pick. You can also have mockups. You can have other stuffs. Okay, I think our picture is now open. So 3D icon. So you can just crop this side. So as you download it, you download it. Okay, so you download it, and then you have access. So go premium. So you have to, it's an attribution required, just like we did for the one on Splash. You need to attribute the person. You see, it's now downloading. Okay, so free download, and then this is a zip file. So when I zip, then it is in zip, so I'll extract it. You get to know all these things if you subscribe to these videos, because I'll be doing all how to zip a file, to extract a file, how to make a website and everything. So if you would want to also learn all these things, subscribe to this channel, and then to have access to any video I post on this channel. I post videos based on business, anything that will help your business grow, and every business course and knowledge. Okay, so there's a last site called Pixels. Okay, so pixel.com. And get the best free stock photos, royalty free images, and videos shared by creators. Because of time, and not to make this masterclass longer, I'll pause here so that you can go through these sites, check out these free pictures, and you can download. Okay, so you can just see when you click here, you download. If you have any challenges, kindly let me know in the comment section. I'll put my email address or the email address of this masterclass in the description to this video. If you encounter any challenges with anything that I've shared on this channel, kindly let me know and I'll help you out. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. See you in the next masterclass. Bye.